right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another live trading session brought to you by TD Markets. I go by the name of Tsebo, and very excited to be here. All right, so it's a Tuesday. This is the last day of the month. We're about to wrap up the month of May, getting to June, and this is basically the week filled with a lot of fundamentals, right? Fundamental news events. We're going to take a look at the charts now and a few trade ideas we spoke about yesterday, right, on our yesterday session, and an update on uh, 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 more trade ideas like Euro USD and USD CAD. So let's take a look at how the previous trade ideas went. All right. So CAD JPY, it has not broken above, right? It has not broken above that. I'm expecting a pullback actually, right? I'm expecting the market to give us a correction, like a 1 hour correction before this happens. So we'll be watching, keeping a close eye on this area, keeping a close eye on this area, right? The trade idea is bullish at the moment, expecting GBP JPY to make a push to the upside. So either this is going to give us like a retracement before it breaks, then the trade is going to be better. If it breaks before the retracement, then we'll see what sort of setup we're getting. Are we going to get a correction? Are we going to get a retest? Are we going to get a break? Just a breakout? Then we'll just have a look at how the markets will set up. But other than that, I'm expecting kind of like a pullback before we go up. So still a valid trade idea, keeping a close eye on price action for some buying opportunities. All right, and we also spoke about CAD JPY. So CAD JPY also, this is a similar setup to GBP JPY. All right, looking for both of them to make a push to the upside. Also, I'm expecting a pullback on this one before it continues. All right, we are currently bullish on this one and just looking for a break and a new high, but we'll see what the market does there. All right, so nothing as yet, no pending orders as yet. Also on GBP JPY, no pending orders as yet, but we'll see throughout the course of the day how the market is moving. All right, so CAD JPY, keeping an eye on it for a buy as well. All right, and then we also spoke about AUD JPY, also a similar setup. All right, however, this one already broke, so let's see if we can get a pullback on this one. We can get a push that will come back and retest this support here before it goes up, right? It might not happen, but let's see. All right, and Euro GBP is slowly developing, slowly developing. Let me go to Euro GBP. Euro GBP is slowly developing, right? Looking for a push to the downside. Keeping a close eye on this price action, right? Keeping a close eye on this price action right here. Right, let's see if it's gonna break the top one more time and then come back, or it's gonna drop from here, right? So Euro GBP, also an update on this bearish trade idea. All right, so yeah, so these four trade ideas, market has not moved as yet. That is Euro GBP, GBP JPY, CAD JPY, and AUD JPY. Market has not moved, but I'm expecting the market to move sometime during the day. All right, and then going to the new one. So Euro USD, looking for a push to the downside on Euro USD. All right. I was keeping a close eye on this one, looking at how the daily candle is gonna close, right? So yesterday's daily candle closed very bullish. So let's see how this one is gonna close, or if we're gonna get a push. But I'm expecting this, whatever it does, to give us a push to the downside. All right. Yeah, let's see what happens throughout the day. Looking for a push to. So This is a new trade idea, Euro USD. Um, all right. And another one is USD CAD. USD CAD, where's that USD CAD? There we go. So USD CAD, it is back at the support, or you can say at the neckline. It is now trading here. All right. So looking for buying opportunities around this area. All right. Looking for those buys around this area. All right. Any buy setup we get, we are looking for it. All right. So I think with this one, we're gonna have to wait for this daily candle to close. All right, we're gonna have to wait for this daily candle to close, such that we have a confirmation. So USD CAD, keep an eye out anywhere around this zone, anywhere around this zone. It might still make like 1 hour lower lows, because on the 1 hour this trend is still bearish. It might still continue the lower lows on the 1 hour. However, we'll be looking for every buy structure, buy setup we get. All right. So Euro USD, not Euro, USD CAD. USD CAD also looking for this push to the upside. Right. Just maybe a push that will come back to this zone here. Let me just do this. Yeah, perhaps a rally to the upside will go back to the supply zone. That is the supply zone right there. Right, anywhere around this area, looking for that buy to go back to the supply zone. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, these are the two new setups, USD CAD, Euro USD, and these are trade ideas. So just keep a close eye on them. We'll be keeping a close eye and carefully observing price action. All right. Carefully observing price action. So I think here we might need to wait for this daily candle to close. So chances are today there might not be any setup today, right? Looking at this daily candle to close, and then tomorrow, if it closes with the confirmation that we anticipate, then tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, we will be focusing on buying setups. All right, back to that 1 hour supply there. All right, so yeah, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. A slow start to the week, of course. You know, as I said, the last week and the first week of the month, they tend to be a little bit slow. There's a lot of fundamentals this week. We've got I think the AUD news, the CAD interest rates coming up, NFP on Friday. I think also have I think a Euro event coming up. So just keep an eye on those news events. All right. So yeah, we're gonna end it right here, guys. We'll come back again at 12 and take a look at what the markets are telling us. And yeah, so check you guys on the next session. That's gonna be at 12.